So tell us something about that. What is it all about?
Well, like I said, I wouldn't comment on number 21. I don't know what the film is about, but in this film per se, it is the life of Johnny, and there is not. It's not a game actually. There's no reality thing happening here. There is a mystery involved, which we, like I said, we've just kind of launched a trailer today. So this is exactly what we want to kind of start off with, and then as and when we're promoting the film, we'll get into the different layers of what the characters are about and what the story is about. But again, there is a slight amount of mystery to it, which we want to keep for the audiences to come to the theaters and see in the film. But I'm just telling you that it's not a reality show kind of a film. It's no game. It's all reality, and there is a slight angle of magic involved because you this guy gets to live two different lives for those 3 days. So that's what it's about.
So, but why Bhag Johnny? Because always we have seen that the Johnny's character in Bollywood movies is always displayed in a darker side. So, what is it all about Johnny?
Well, this has both sides of the coin. You have a darker Johnny, and you have the nice, the white Johnny, as we've called him through the film. Bhag Johnny is the title because from the point where he gets to kind of live these two lives, he's on the run. He's on the run from the cops in one, and he's on the run with the girl in the other. So because this guy is practically running through the film, and I must say that I lost a lot of kilos in this film because I was running a lot. So the ideal title for this film was Bhag Johnny.
But how many girls?
I have kind of I asked myself that question when I saw this trailer because I didn't even know I worked with so many girls in this film. But it's great. It's very good. I should hold this in this hand because my wedding ring is in this one. But yeah, it's been great.
Which was your favorite one? Which was the favorite co-stars on sets? If you like to mention. Urvashi Rautela has been also here.
Let's do that on a one-on-one interview. I'm standing with three beautiful girls here. I'm not going to answer that question. Or are you? That's an interesting question because both the characters come out of this person, and वो हमने पहले फिल्मों में भी देखा है, ग्रंथों में भी पढ़ा है कि वो कहते हैं ना कि राम भी और रावण भी आपके अंदर है. I really enjoyed doing this film because आप कई फिल्मों में या तो नेगेटिव रोल करते हैं या पॉजिटिव रोल करते हैं. पहली बार मुझे एक फिल्म में मौका मिला नेगेटिव और पॉजिटिव करने का. I really enjoyed playing the darker character because I've never actually played a darker character before this on screen, so that was very interesting for me.
Kunal? Kunal, good to see you back in the lead after some time now. So, pressure on this time?
There's always pressure. I mean, whenever you have a film releasing, added pressure because I think 2 saal ke baad I have a release now. So, you guys better make this work so that I can come here again and again. Yeah, see, I'll be very honest. It's not about being picky or anything, there are so many films that get offered, and I do the work. I mean, I love the work that I do, and I really want to do the work where, when I'm on set, I'm enjoying what I'm doing. So I pick out of what is offered to me, and I try to do my best because I feel I'm responsible towards my audiences. So I don't want to kind of do everything that comes my way. At least I have to understand it. So it's good. I mean, this is keeping me busy, and then there's another film next month after this. So fingers crossed.
Which one would be that?
There's a film called Kutu Ki Gun.
Okay. Mandana and Mansi, what are your roles in the movie? If you could just.
My role, I'm also on run. I can't say much about my role, but I'm playing a foreign girl in this movie who meets Kunal when he's basically running on a run, and yeah, that's about it. And you need to wait, obviously. It's the first day after that, so.
I guess Johnny bhag raha hai meri wajah se. So from whatever little you could make out, am I the villain or am I not? You don't know. Yeah, Shivam sir just said I'm the villain, so. Yeah, so I am the villain. Jo bhi ho raha hai, jo bhi khichdi pak rahi hai is film mein, it's all thanks to me. So this is very exciting for me. It's the first time I've really got to do an anti. I do theatre. I mean, I've not done much film, but this was really good fun, especially working with Shivam sir because he comes with a lot of muscle power behind him. So I think it's a first timer in the Indian screen. और जिस तरीके से इन्होंने treat किया जब मैंने पहली बार ट्रेलर देखा था, I was very excited. मुझे समझ में आ गई थी पूरी picture. I was wondering how you'd manage parallel ends, but I'm excited to watch it. And as a musician, as a singer, I love the songs. They're fantastic. So please make them a big hit. मेरे साथ रोमांसिंग बिल्कुल नहीं की उन्होंने. मैंने थोड़ी बहुत शुरुआत की थी पहले सीन में इनके साथ. But I'll say one thing about Kunal. He's and he knows why I'm going to say this. इस इंडस्ट्री में बहुत कम लोग हैं जो अपने co-stars का इतना ख्याल रखते हैं. And we had a bit of a situation for my first launch with our clothes, and he's one of the few actors I've met who looks at the picture as a whole. And he actually, thank you for that first scene and first shot for making me change. He was a pleasure to work with. But I think मुझे सबसे मजा आया इस फिल्म में इनको action stunts करते देखते हुए. Because even though I didn't have that much of action, then I would call the action directors and say मेरे को भी सिखाओ क्या कर रहे हैं. So he's really really good in the film, and all the best to all of us.
Full-fledged role. I'm finally out of my uniforms, so it was a lot of fun. I especially enjoyed doing all the action scenes with Kunal. And I remember in Thailand we were doing this intense action scene where I'm in a boat and the boat is moving and Kunal is acting like a full hero and hitting the police and all. And then he had to jump into the boat because I'm in it. And instead of jumping into the boat, he jumped into the water. And it was such a cool shot. It actually looked so good that I wish Sir could put it in the film. But besides that, yes, finally playing a full-fledged role. I had so much to learn. And Kunal sometimes reminds me of Aamir Khan. So sometimes I used to feel like, oh, I'm getting to work with someone who looks like Aamir Khan. But yes, it was a lot of fun and I learned a lot. Thanks to Shivam sir and Kunal.
Azim, what's your role in the movie?
I work with Mansi. I'm also the reason Kunal keeps running. And I'd like to thank Shivam sir for a fab job. It's all worth all those broken bones and all the scars that Kunal and me have had. Yeah, a lot of hospitals, a lot of action was there. But the best part of it, we were sharing a vanity van, and after the shot, we'd come and put creams on each other and talk about it. Oh God, we got to beat each other up in 1 hour again. So it was fun.
Azim, are you still making the film on Priyanka Chopra?
No comment.
But no, would you be making it anytime soon, or has it been shelved?
No comment again.
ये तो गाना देख लिया हमने अच्छा था लोकेशन थाईलैंड एंड ऑल
The film is based in Bangkok.
गुड मूवी
Kunal, you've romanced all three girls in the movie, I'm guessing. So, tell us some good qualities about all three of them.
It was great, and it's always so nice to do films where you get to romance beautiful women. And I had a great time, and you can see in the trailer. I mean, I don't even remember working with so many women in the film, but obviously it was like a pleasant dream.
How does Soa react?
There you go. I knew that was coming. So that's why I said it feels like a pleasant dream, because then I wake up at home, and it's even better. No, that's okay. You don't have to stand up for me. It's fine.